Hi, how are you? It's Classon and I am back with another stupid question of the day. And I am together with baby Luca, who's 15 weeks old now. He's drooling and trying to talk a lot, so I hope he's not going to distract too much from the video. Anyways, today's question is, what is Emmet abbreviations? I saw somebody tweet that Visual Studio Code out of the box supports something called Emmet abbreviations, and I hadn't heard about that before, so I had to look it up. Emmet abbreviations is a part of the Emmet toolkit, which is a web development toolkit, and that's probably why I haven't heard about it before, because I mostly do back-end, like APIs and services, sort of development and DevOps, not a lot of front-end. And the Emmet abbreviations, it's basically just a way to write shorthand expressions for markup and CSS. It's a little bit similar to autocomplete and code snippets, you know how you just start typing something, then you hit enter and the code gets inserted. And you can build very long expressions, and it basically enables you to type much faster, which is something that all developers love, because there's a lot of repetition, in particular when you write markup, you know, it gets a bit tedious. Even with autocomplete, you can still always need a little bit of extra help. So make sure you check it out if you haven't heard about it before. It seems like everybody knows what it is except me, but never be scared to ask stupid questions. After all, that's how we learn. Thank you for watching, and I promise you it won't be too long until you see the next video, and this guy will probably be in it as well. Have a fantastic day. Bye!